Hey BLT, we do meet tomorrow after school and we will be in Caleb's room. And so I just wanted to give you a quick update about some things to see on the agenda so you can have some thoughts before you come. We'll do a quick COVID update. Although it doesn't feel great, it's actually not as bad as what you would expect, or at least what I expected as I went into it this afternoon. We'll talk about some PD days coming up. We're going to talk about our goals, the goals that we set at the beginning of the year. This will be much more of our conversation, just a review and discussion. And then just if we need to set some different timelines. There's some timelines in there that we've missed, and maybe I've missed. I know there's a couple in there that I've missed on purpose, and looking at our numbers and knowing that we were really busy in October. Anyway, we'll talk about middle school visits. I've identified at least 3. I think Dassel, Cokato, and Little Falls are somewhat close to our size, which is why I've identified them. Little Falls might be a little bit bigger. But if you have things in here of places you want to go see, please put them up here so that people can see that. We'll talk about mentorship. We're going to have a mentorship launch or relaunch again next or on Friday. I will connect with you a little bit on that. And then I want to talk about celebrations. Just what are you looking for Q1 and Q2 and holiday celebrations for our kids? Of course, you can add anything, and I'm sure before tomorrow I may have something to add in here. But I am just, we're going to start with this and then just have some good conversations. So I don't expect it to be long, but I do want to regroup and just rethink about where we're currently at. All right, guys, have a great day. I would love to say that we are going to be in full staff, but I think we will still have maybe one out. So as many of you that can make it tomorrow, 310 Caleb's room. All right, have a good night.